Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to build some raised garden beds. Let's get started. So for the longest time, we've had this issue where we have a bare spot in our yard. Septic tank is under here, and in the dead of summer when it gets real hot, this dirt just dries out, will not grow anything but weeds. So to remedy this, we're going to cover this space up with some raised garden beds. So to build these, I'm going to build a frame out of 2x4s, and then I'm going to put this metal roofing on the inside all the way around the box. The plan is to build 4 of these with stepping stones in between to cover up this area. So let's get to work. Alright, so here's what we got so far. We've got 8 2-foot pieces and 8 4-foot pieces. The 4-foot pieces will be all the horizontal parts. The 2-foot pieces will be all the vertical parts. What I'm going to do is put together all 4 sides separately. Put the panel of metal inside of it, and then we'll put them all together to make one box. Alright, I got these put together, 4 of them to make one box. Now let's get some metal cut. Since these are 2 feet tall boxes, I'm going to cut the metal 2 feet in length. And then at the ends, I'm going to leave about 1.5 inch space to be able to attach the sides together with. Now, because I want these black on the outside to match our porch, I'm turning the white side to the inside. The black will be on the outside. And that's what the panels will look like on the outside. What in the world is that? Helicopter's pulling something, carrying it. I don't know what that is. That's bizarre. All right, let's put these panels together. All right, got all four of them together. I think that's gonna look pretty good. I'm tired. So next I'm gonna put a cap on top of this to keep anybody from getting cut by any of the metal on it. Kind of reminds me of a hot tub. Alright, this is going to be a two-part video. First one is how to build the boxes, and the second one will be setting them up, filling them up, and getting the garden going. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps me out, helps my channel out, and also, if you like this video, then you definitely should go watch this one.